In this video, I will show you how to stream from Xsens Analyze Pro into Siemens Jack 9.0. First, open the MVN file that you want to stream and play the recording on toggle repeat. Then select the network streamer icon to open the network streamer configuration window. Click Add to set up a new stream and check the box on the left. Enter the IP address of the host computer you are streaming to. Change the port number to 4085, which is the port that Siemens uses. Siemens also uses the UDP protocol. You can also set the stream rate you want to send data to. To stream into Jack, only position and orientation, character metadata, and scaling data are required. You can deselect the rest. Additionally, leave the Send Data While Paused box checked, as this will be important in a later step. Now that the stream is set up, we can continue in Jack. In Siemens Jack 9.0, the next step would be to create a human. To set up the stream with Xsens, navigate to Modules, Motion Capture, Connect to, and select Xsens. Make sure that the port number matches the one specified in MVN, and then click Connect. Once you do that, you should see the avatar's coordinate frames appear. Next, go back into MVN and find a frame in which the avatar is assuming the neutral pose, and pause the recording. To constrain the human to our Xsens avatar, navigate back to Modules, Motion Capture, and select Tracking Setup. Add a figure by selecting Add and clicking on the Jack avatar to connect it to the MVN data. It's important to click Constrain while the Xsens avatar is in the end pose to get the highest accuracy possible. You can now return to MVN and play the recording once again. The Jack human should now follow the motion of the Xsens avatar.